Hello and welcome. Yesterday, a brutal incident came out in Kerala of killing of an elephant who reached a village from forest in search of some food. The locals offered him a pineapple which was filled with crackers. She ate it and it explodes in her throat. After this incident, she did not harm anybody in the village and peacefully reached to the river for getting some relief, and she stood there for 3 days in the river. After 3 days, she died. A senior forest officer said her jaw was broken and she was unable to eat. After she chewed the pineapple and it exploded in her mouth. It is certain that she was offered the pineapple filled with crackers to eliminate her. Principal Chief Conservator of Forest Wildlife and Chief Wildlife Warden Surendra Kumar told PTI. The incident was reported from the fringe areas of the Silent Valley in Attappady district on May 27. The issue of the pachyderm's tragic death came into light after Mohan Krishnan, a forest officer, posted an emotional note on his Facebook page narrating the death of the elephant in the waters of the Valiar River. This incident is 6 days older. 3 days after this incident, the female elephant went to the river for getting some relief. She stood 3 days in the water and died but not harm anybody in the village. Yesterday, the incident came into light by a Facebook post of forest officer Mr. Krishnan. He wrote, "When we saw her, she was standing in the water with her head dipped in the water. She had a sixth sense that she was going to die. She took the Jal Samadhi in the river in a standing position." Minister Prakash Javadekar said the Environment Ministry has taken a serious note of the death of the elephant and has so complete report on the incident. Stern action will be taken against the culprits, he said. It is not going to be easy to find out. We have to depend on local information since these areas are remote. Our detection of the areas using perambulation and the information supply wildlife and forest activities. The angle of whether someone intentionally gave the elephant the fruit laced explosive being probably, but the strong possibility before the officials is that it could have been a share laid to kill wild bears and pigs. Cases of such snares laid by villagers are common across forest areas in Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and Karnataka, and have even been known as to kill wild elephants. Another forest official who did not want to be named said since elephant can walk up to 100 kilometers a day, it could have strayed for from the spot where it was infected with the injury. It could be difficult to find unless we get a clue. Dr. Abraham, who post mortem the elephant, realized that the elephant was pregnant only towards the end of the post mortem when he noticed the enlarged uterus. It was an incidental finding. The child was probably 1 or 2 months old. It's a rarest of the rare case when a pregnant elephant dies as a result of such cracker related injuries. It's very sad, he said. In my personal opinion, literacy does not mean education, as this incident proved. The human cruelty is crossing all the limits, but the nature's tendency is to balance everything. Rest in peace.